In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to answer questions on Google Classroom. Navigating our way through online learning platforms can be a touch overwhelming at times, right? Google Classroom, however, aims to simplify this process, making it easier for students like you to engage with your course content, submit assignments, and yes, answer those all-important questions your instructors pose. Whether you're new to Google Classroom or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently interact with your class material. Let's dive into it, shall we? First off, you'll want to make sure you're able to access Google Classroom. So head over to google.com. Once there, you'll notice a sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on that. It's your gateway to all things Google, including Google Classroom. After clicking sign in, you'll be asked to choose your Google account. This is usually your school-provided email account or a personal account that your school has given access to Google Classroom. Select the account you use for schoolwork to continue. Next, you'll need to type in your password. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any unnecessary frustration. If you've forgotten your password, don't panic. There's an option to reset it. Once your password is entered, click on Next to proceed. Upon successfully logging in, you're ready to access Google Classroom. But how? Look for the Google Apps menu, which is symbolized by 9 small squares at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will unveil various Google services and apps. From this array, click on Google Classroom. It's usually depicted by an icon resembling a chalkboard or green chalkboard. Now that you've opened Google Classroom, you need to locate your class. Click on your classroom you're enrolled in. Your screen will display all your classes, each represented by a box with the class name, instructor's name, and possibly a theme or class photo. Look for the specific class where you need to answer questions and click on it. Within your class, click on Classwork at the top to find the assignments and questions posted by your instructor. This section is organized to help you easily locate different types of classwork, including quizzes, question assignments, and more. Hunt for the quiz or question assignment you need to tackle. For our example, let's say it's quiz #1, sample quiz form. Click on that. This will take you to the form or assignment where you'll provide your answers. Now it's time to answer the questions. Take your time to read through each question carefully. Google Forms, which is commonly used for quizzes in Google Classroom, allows for various types of questions, including multiple choice, short answer, or paragraph responses. Make sure you understand what's being asked before you start typing your answers. After you've diligently worked through each question and are satisfied with your responses, it's time to submit your work. Look for the Submit button, usually found at the bottom of the form. Clicking on it will send your answers to your instructor. A confirmation message or screen should appear, letting you know your submission was successful. Now, breathe a sigh of relief. You've successfully navigated answering questions on Google Classroom. Remember, timely and honest responses are key to making the most out of your learning experience. Don't hesitate to review your answers before submitting to ensure they accurately reflect your knowledge and understanding of the topic. And there we have it. You've mastered answering questions on Google Classroom. This tool is an excellent way to keep your learning organized and engage with your courses. As you become more familiar with Google Classroom, you'll discover it's laden with features designed to enhance your educational journey. Whether you're engaging in discussion forums, submitting essays, or completing quizzes like we just did, Google Classroom is here to support your learning every step of the way. Remember, this platform is designed to be intuitive, so don't be afraid to explore and click around. The best way to learn is by doing, and soon, navigating Google Classroom will become second nature. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope this guide has shed some light on how to confidently answer questions on Google Classroom. Keep up the hard work and happy learning.